Hi there. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the congruent triangles and how to use different theorems to prove that two triangles are congruent. In this section, you are going to learn about the congruent figures. So let's begin. Congruent figures. Two figures are congruent if they have same shapes and sizes. In other words, we can say that if we have two figures and they have the same shape and same sizes, then two figures are called congruent. The symbol to represent the congruent figures is right here. Let's use this symbol to represent that two figures are congruent. So if two quadrilaterals ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are congruent, then we can write quadrilateral ABC is congruent to quadrilateral PQRS. And as you can see, I am using this symbol over here to represent that two quadrilaterals are congruent. Properties of congruent figures. Two polygons are congruent if property 1. The corresponding sides are congruent or equal. Property 2. The corresponding interior angles are congruent or same. Let's consider an example to understand the congruency of two figures. So here's the example. Let us consider two quadrilateral ABCD and PQRS. What I'm going to do, in order to explain this, I'm going to draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So here is my quadrilateral ABCD, and as you can see, AB is 5, BC is 6, CD is 6.5, and DA is 4. Now let's consider another quadrilateral PQSR. So here is my another quadrilateral PQSR, where PQ is 5, QS is 6, SR is 6.5, and RP is 4. As you can see, angle A is congruent to angle P, which is over here. Angle B is congruent to angle Q, over here. Angle C is congruent to angle S, over here. And angle D is congruent to angle R, which is over here. And corresponding sides are also congruent, so we can write AB is congruent to PQ, over here. BC is congruent to QS, over here. CD is congruent to SR, over here, or RS. And DA is congruent to RP, which is over here. So, since the corresponding angles and corresponding sides of two quadrilaterals are congruent or same, this simply means that their shapes and sizes are the same or congruent. So we can write that quadrilateral ABCD is congruent to quadrilateral PQSR or RS. And this is how we will prove that two figures are congruent.